What a move here on the SPY. After dropping and finding support near 635, it is pushing back up and breaking through 640, guys. If it's your first time coming across the channel, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, going ahead and pushing back up and trying to break through the high after the open near 640.16. It is trying to break it right here live in the action. And in today's volatility, our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator at 636.38. And then you could see it here popping up on the Discord at 1:05 p.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, bull strength on 42 vision, and call options have gone up over 150% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve and join the members using 42 Vision, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, now breaking out above that level right after the open, the highest point that we've seen, and now it's trying to retest where things rejected in the pre-market, right between that 640 and 640.44 area, and so far it's sitting here at 640.38. Now, it isn't the only stock pushing up higher today. We also had Tesla here at the open send out a pretty strong bull indicator there at 327.51. Now, it's been kind of choppy here in the second half of the day, and it turned out to be the home run of the day there at the open near 9:40 a.m., sending out that strength from 327 all the way up towards 333, slowing down at that pre-market rejection area and resistance, but call options jumped up nearly 20 to 50% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge, again, that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and knowing about these stocks early on and also having you join us. So here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, going ahead and doing a full transition as well. It did it in the morning from the dip area of white with red borders to bright green bars, and it's doing it again here from white with red borders to multiple bright green bars. If it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 Vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So when we zoom out on the SPY, the S&P 500 index, and we look at it here, it's back under a bull indicator on the 15-minute as well at the 636.80 area, and it's done a full transition from the dip area to bright green bars, the rip area as we call it. So as long as these bright green bars continue to the upside and compounding into tomorrow's pre-market and trading day, and this bull indicator does not get canceled on any pullback, the strength here is still holding up, because we're not just seeing the 15-minute rollover, we have the 30-minute also rolling over, and it's going to be important for the 1 hour to follow, because this has been under a bear indicator here since Friday at the 646.90 area, and that bear indicator needs to get canceled to justify any move further to the upside. Okay, that is something to definitely watch. That is definitely something to not ignore. And then on the 30-minute, we just got a bull indicator, and the last piece missing here to complete the transition, if the strength were to continue and we retest those resistance levels, is bright green bars. So far we've hit up here a high of 640.50, and if we can break out from there, then we want to see this bull indicator try to roll over into the 1 hour and then go ahead and get up towards the 642 area. And then above that is obviously 645. That is a crucial level there of where we rejected and fell from today. And we were trying to head back towards, and we kept rejecting back on Friday. So here we are back under a bull indicator. 1 hour's under a bear indicator. The 2 hour as well. But when we zoom out and look at this chart, this is a wonderful area here to bounce off of. We're seeing a nice bounce off 635. Historically, it was a crucial level to push us back up to those all-time highs, followed by a bull indicator at the 637 level. We're above that, and we want to see this continue, right? And to that, I have to say, if we go ahead and reach out closer to the resistance up here of 645 and break out to new all-time highs, this is what I got to say. We may see those all-time highs. I mean, a lot of people are stating 650 is a possibility. I would love to see your thoughts down below when it comes to this. But here we are with the SPY pushing upwards, trying to get back over 640, using that historical level of 635 as a support. And we want to see those bull indicators start to appear on multiple time frames. So far, we have one back on the 15-minute. We want to see it pop up on the 30-minute, and that's what we want it to do and hold, right? It's confirmed. We have it, and then roll over into the 1 hour and 2 hour, right? We have the 15-minute. We wanted to see it on the 30-minute. Here it is. The 1 hour and the 2 hour are going to be crucial, and these are the key levels I'll be watching, right? The first thing is support down at 637.50. Then below that is all the way down towards 635. And then to the upside, we want to stay above 640 and get towards 642. And then above 642 comes up towards the 645 area. And even in that tight range between 642 and 645, the support from Friday near 643, 643.50 are definitely levels to also not ignore and see how the SPY reacts. Will it break out of it? Will it reject it? And will it slow down there and consolidate? Those are the things I'm really looking for as we're approaching those higher levels, and especially if these bull indicators continue to roll over and we continue to see inflows follow, which you get connected to as well once you join, and you also gain access to our A+ setup strategy videos, and I teach you everything there is to learn with using 42 Vision to maximize in the volatility once you become a member and join our Discord. Again, that link is down below in the description and top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected. So those are the levels. I do not want to ignore them. And this is going to be so important because this is a historical area of support and resistance here before going back up, right? Because previously we rejected up here, came all the way down, and then at 635 we bounced back up. And here we are bouncing from that level. And we're having a nice bounce here in the after hours towards 641. So tomorrow will be interesting. And these bull and bear indicators, they continue to hold up the volatility to the upside. But for any further justification, we want the 1 hour and 2 hour to roll over with it. And look at it here. Right there in the live action, guys. It's going to take 50 minutes for this to close and confirm. So this is not confirmed yet, but it's happening live in the action, guys. And this is where 42 Vision really gives us that edge to see the strength of trend. And there it is, pushing up towards 641.55. And the further it pushes away from 641 and it stays above it, this bull indicator may actually roll over into tomorrow, guys. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.